In electrical program, we have a really good researching group which working on different and exciting areas. My particular interest was nanomaterial. I'm currently in the electrical engineering program, and I've been working on laser, nano, and macro manufacturing for energy and bio applications. I received my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from Aswan University of Technology and my master's from Khaja Nasser University of Technology in Iran. I'm really happy that I've chosen Auburn University for graduate school because I am passionate about the research. This program gives me the opportunity to work in the different areas ranging from fundamental to applied researchers. Also, the facilities here is fantastic. They provided you everything that you needed to pursue your research in the way that you like. And my research activities will potentially advance various applications like additive manufacturing, energy storage, and bio applications. For example, recently I've been working on the biosensor for COVID-19, and it makes me feel I can help people during critical times of need. I hope I can find my dream job where I can apply my nanomaterial manufacturing and engineering expertise to health and energy industries and make life better for the people.